In this video, I want to talk about how you can connect Namecheap domain to a Shopify store. Now this is pretty simple, guys. What you need to do is click on settings on your admin dashboard. Inside of here, go to domains, press connect existing domain, and then type in the domain that you just bought from Namecheap. After that, press next, and now it's going to give you a little tutorial on what you need to do. Now, if you don't understand this one, let me just quickly talk about it. So once you've clicked in and typed in the domain, you want to go to Namecheap, go to the domain list, and find Advanced DNS. Inside of here, what you need to do is you need to change the A record with the @ symbol to this, which is the Shopify one. If on Shopify, when you click next, if it gives you another IP than this one, then just type in this one that it gives you in here. After that, you want to find the CNAME record, which is www, and change it to shops.myshopify.com. Remember the dot. And just press save, come back here and press verify, and now it should be connected. Now, like I said, if on your Shopify it gives you another IP and another text here, just put the one it gives you in here, of course. This is just a basic one that you usually use, but if it gives you another one on your store, just use those. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.